17 seconds. That's all it takes to begin shifting your energy. Not 17 days, not 17 hours, just 17 focused seconds. And when you sustain that energy for a total of 68 seconds, something powerful happens. Your thoughts begin to align, your emotions begin to shift, and you move into a state of certainty rather than longing. Today, I'm going to guide you through a simple yet powerful meditation designed to help you reconnect with the feeling of love, connection, and alignment. Before we begin, think about the person you want to love you. Simply remember a moment when you were together. Take a deep breath and allow that memory to come into focus. Now let's begin. Get comfortable and close your eyes if you can. If you can't close them, simply soften your focus and allow the outside world to fade into the background. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Again, breathe in deeply and release. Allow your body to relax. Allow your shoulders to soften. Allow yourself to become fully present in this moment. The next few minutes are for you. There is nothing to force, nothing to chase, nothing to figure out. Only feeling, only allowing, only receiving. Now picture this person standing right in front of you. See them looking at you. Notice the expression on their face. A genuine smile. A smile that reaches their eyes. Feel their presence. Feel the warmth of being near them. Imagine them looking at you as though you are the only person in the room. Feel yourself being seen, being appreciated, being valued. Allow yourself to experience the comfort of this moment. Feel the relief. Feel the connection. Feel the joy of simply being together. Pause here. Allow that feeling to grow stronger. And let the scene naturally expand. Perhaps you are walking together. Perhaps you are laughing together. Maybe you are holding hands. Maybe you are sharing a conversation that feels effortless and natural. Don't force anything. Simply allow the experience to unfold in whatever way feels most natural to you. Notice how easily the images arrive. Notice how the emotions deepen. Notice how relaxed you feel. Stay with that feeling. Now imagine hearing their voice. Perhaps they are telling you something you've wanted to hear. Perhaps they are expressing appreciation. Perhaps they are simply enjoying your presence. Allow yourself to feel supported, loved, connected, safe. Remain in that energy. Let it wash through your entire body. Feel what it would feel like if everything was already unfolding perfectly? Feel the trust. Feel the confidence. Feel the gratitude. Allow that certainty to fill your chest. Allow it to spread through your entire body. You are no longer focusing on what is missing. You are focused on the feeling of already having what you desire. Stay there. Breathe it in. And let it become your new normal. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Welcome back. Notice how different you feel. Lighter, calmer, more centered, more certain. And if this meditation shifted anything inside of you, comment below, "They love me now." And subscribe so you don't miss the next transformation. The shift you feel right now matters. When you focus on love, connection, appreciation, and certainty, your mind naturally begins generating more thoughts that match those emotions. For best results, listen to this meditation every day for 21 consecutive days. Consistency creates momentum. Momentum creates belief. And belief allows you to remain aligned with the energy you want to experience. Whenever doubt appears, return to this meditation. Whenever you feel yourself slipping back into worry, return to this meditation. Allow these few minutes each day to reset your energy and reconnect you with certainty. Trust the process. Trust yourself. Trust that what is meant for you is already making its way towards you. And most importantly, stay connected to the feeling of joy, because joy is one of the most magnetic energies you can embody. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.